Fly Babies. Today is Saturday. So of our 3-tiered cake, number 1 is routine. So on Saturday, we get up and we do our routines. We do our morning routine, our children do their routines, and if you have morning chores that must be done every morning, then those are worked into that as well. After that, that means everybody's up, the beds are made, the bathroom looks nice, everyone's dressed, everyone's clothes have been put away, everyone has had breakfast. We're ready for a fantastic day. So level 2 of our 3-layer cake, layer 2, is our family fun day. So today's the day we're going to have fun with the family. There's no housekeeping today because you've taken care of it Monday through Friday if you're an at-home fly baby. Now if you're a payroll lion, or a payroll fly baby, it's all the same. You're going to do some things that you might not have gotten done during the week. Hopefully you did 5 out of the 6 steps of your weekly home blessing hour. So if not, you still have to strip your bed and wash your sheets. You still would want to dust the house. You would want to wipe the glass, empty the garbage cans, mop the floors, and vacuum. Now if you have done 5 of those things, like we talked about all week long, the only thing you have to do today is go vacuum the house. 10 minutes or less, traffic patterns only, no perfectionism. Let that go. Okay. And delegate. Why not delegate? What's wrong with that? And then the other thing you might not have done is gotten your groceries done. So if you have a place that you can order them from and have them delivered, that's fantastic. Or if you need to go pick them up at at Walmart, for example. I know I think Kroger has that as well. I'm not sure. We don't have Kroger here. But, oh, the wind is really tossing out here, tossing the trees. Can you hear it? You may not be able to. Yeah. So the groceries need to be done. So sometimes that takes an hour if you have to go get it. But I know you've made your list on your lunch hour. So I know you've got your budget, I know you've got your refrigerator a little bit cleaned out, so go buy your groceries. The other thing you may not have done, oh, that's it. Okay, so the rest of the day is Family Fun Day. Now the last thing we have is Zone 3. Zone 3, the bathroom and one other room. If you've been working on it during the week, payroll lions, then you don't have to do it today. But if you didn't do it during the week, then the consequence is, or the choice is, that you're going to spend about 45 minutes to an hour cleaning the main bathroom. That's the bathroom in the hall that has a tub or shower. That's the one. Not the one in the bedroom, master bedroom, not the powder room, the main bathroom. So you're going to clean that. And that's going to be, well, you're going to declutter it if it's cluttered. And hopefully you're doing a clutter check 3 times a day, which happens even on Saturdays and Sundays. A clutter check 3 times a day, inspecting what you expect every time you delegate something, or every time you think about something that you know your children should be doing, you want to go inspect that. And then, so if you have the clutter gone, and because you've been doing a clutter check, it's not recluttering, and you're not just checking the kids, no, you're checking yourself as well. Then after that, or if there is no clutter, then you're going to do a deep clean. I always suggest you deep clean the shower and tub. There is no need to clean the sink or the toilets because you're swishing and swiping every day. There's no need to mop the floor because you mopped it yesterday if you were doing your weekly home blessing hour in parts, or you did it Monday if you've done the whole thing on Monday. But you might want to wash the bathroom rug, or you might want to wipe down the baseboards or something like that, clean out under the cabinet, look in the medicine cabinet. But just maybe you want to spend half the time in there and half in the other room, whatever that other room is for you. Could be a child's room, could be a guest room, could be a bonus room, could be the laundry room, could be anything that's extra in your house. Okay. So after this, we're going to go have fun with the family. You're going to get your work done first. Get it done quickly. Delegate as much as you can. Inspect what you expect. Let's go. Let's have a good day. So enjoy the rest of your day. Even if you didn't do anything during the week towards your house, payroll lions, you can get it all done in 2 or 3 hours this morning. You can. And then enjoy the rest of the week. All right, that's it. The rest of the day, rather. and the rest of the week, enjoy life. Life is wonderful and to be enjoyed. So enjoy your life with your family today. And don't forget to do your before bed routine tonight. Remember, tomorrow is our Renew Your Spirit Day. So if you're going to church, talk about that with the family. Lay out the clothes that everybody's going to wear. Have the kids pick out their own, and you can agree or disagree depending on what they choose. Hopefully you'll agree. And really plan on having a lovely day tomorrow. Don't forget to take something out for dinner tomorrow. Put it in the fridge to start it defrosting. Maybe put out your crock pot tomorrow morning, or whatever it is you're going to need to remind you to get everything started in the morning. And don't forget to get up early so you can be ready before the family, and you will be so much more calm, much more at peace, and you'll really be ready to enjoy your day. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.